head teacher at St Anthony's. We're absolutely delighted with another year of fantastic results. Really proud of our students and worked incredibly hard. So thrilled to see so many happy smiling faces today. Very thankful to our staff who've worked so hard with them to get them where they are, and of course their wonderful parents who supported us along the way. Been lots of ups and downs, but we've got here in the end and we're really pleased. So very overjoyed to see, as I say, so many smiling faces, and looking forward to hearing where they're going next.
I'm Frances Collins, the Director of Sixth Form. It's been an absolute joy to work with this set of girls over the last couple of years, and today we're delighted to have 100% pass rates in 33 A-level subjects, which really is phenomenal. We've got girls going off to medicine, a girl going to Cambridge, and particularly our students that joined our sixth form from neighbouring schools in Sunderland who've done phenomenally well. 3 girls that joined us from the school with a total of 9 A's and A stars between them. So once again, congratulations to all of our girls, to the parents for their support and to the staff, and we look forward to finding out about their destinations and keeping in touch with the girls over the coming years.
Hi, I'm Claudia Stewart, and I got 2 stars in A. I got Cambridge.
Hi, I'm Heather, and I got in Durham University today, to do biomedical science. I got an A and 2 Bs, and I'm just like speechless.
I'm Charlie, and I got 2 A stars and an A. That's even higher than I was expecting for Durham to do history.
Over the moon with my results, I wasn't expecting this at all. I'm just in shock practically, and I don't think any of this would be possible without the support and guidance that's in Anthony's.
The school has been absolutely amazing. They've always been there to support me throughout everything that's ever happened to us. And I'm just so happy with our results.
Yeah, St Anthony's has been fantastic.
St.